The change of base formula is one that can be used to evaluate a logarithm that does not have one of the common bases. If we have a logarithm with base 3, one option is to use the change of base formula. And what that looks like is that we would apply this formula saying whatever the base is that we want to change, so in this case it would be base 3 we want to change, we're going to write this as a fraction where we have the log with our new base. So A is going to be our desired base. And the desired base is going to be either base 10 or base E because those are easy to access on my keypad. So let's say log base 10 here, that's fine, or log base E, either one of them is fine. So then the argument following the formula is going to be the same as the original argument, so in this case 5. The argument in the denominator is going to be the same as the old base of the original logarithm, and so we'll have log with the new desired base of the old base, which is 3. So let's put this into our calculator and see what we get. So the numerator was log base 10 of 5, let's close that out, and then we'll divide that by log base 10 of 3, and that's going to give us our valuation here, which is 1.46, let's call that 1.465, which is what we get for the value of this logarithm. So let's see how this changes if we were to get to use the log base E. So in the numerator we'll have the ln of the argument is going to be the same as the original argument of the logarithm, which in this case is 5. And then in the denominator we'll also have the log with the new desired base of the old base, so ln 3. Is this going to be the same value? So let's go back over to our calculator and say ln of 5 in the top, and then we divide that by the ln of 3, and we get that, yeah, it is actually the same value. So we can change the base literally to anything we want, but we usually change the base to ln or log base 10 because those are easy buttons to access on my calculator.